Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between the Fanttik Slim V10 mix and the Fanttik Slim V9 mix. Both of these are cordless vacuum cleaners and blowers all in one. Now they both come with a bag and they both come with different kinds of attachments. We can see the attachments are relatively the same. I like all the different attachments. Now let's talk about both of these. They're both vacuums and then we can convert them and put attachments on the back to make them a blower. Now, the V10 does have 16,000 pascals of suction, and the V9 has 12,000 pascals of suction. And there is a little bit bigger battery in the V10, about a 5-minute longer runtime. So 35 minutes compared to 30 minutes. So but they're both very simple to operate. Again, you can put the different attachments go on and off really easy. When you're ready to empty it out after it vacuums, just press the button. I like this attachment. It rotates on the V10. This one is stationary, but it's still a good attachment. And same thing over here. Pick everything up, rotate this. This is a lock, and then press it, and everything comes out. Now the displays, the V9 is a little bit lighter weight, you can tell. Now the displays they do the same thing. It's got high and low and shows you battery percentage. But both of them, you got to kind of hold the button. See how they're different? Press it again, you go to high. So the displays show you the same thing, they just do it in a little bit different way. Now again, we can take the back here. When we want to convert it to a blower, take this off so you got increased airflow, and take your blower attachments and you simply just put them right here. And same thing, turn it on. It's a low speed blower. Hit it again, it's a high speed blower. Hold the button, and I think the attachments, yeah, the attachments are the same, they fit each other. Again, this one, same thing here, rotate this, take it off, convert it into a blower. Same thing. Now they both have the same filter. Once in a while you are going to have to clean these filters. And you can see they come off, and here's this filter. And they are the same filters, so they are interchangeable. I think the dustbins, yeah, the dustbins are the same size. So they're going to hold the same amount of dust and material. You're just going to get a little bit stronger suction. They both charge with the USB-C. I really do like that fact. That's a really nice feature. They don't come with the actual charging adapter, but they do come with the cable that you're going to plug right in here to charge it. Okay, let's see how easy that is to clean this mess up. Turn them on. Let's go to high. Okay, now let's try the crevice tools. I do feel like the handle's a little bit rounder on this one, but both of them are great vacuums. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.